Use Gaucho Credit Abroad to see what type of credit UCSB students have received for their study abroad coursework. Remember, these are courses that were taken in the past. They are not guaranteed to count the same way now. Consult your major and college advisors regarding major and GE credit. You can use Gaucho Credit Abroad to search by major credit and GE credit. To search for major credit, select your major, select Major for credit type, and then select any under Subject, Country, and Partner. You will get a list of results, which you can then sort. Want to know where students have gone to fulfill a certain GE requirement, such as Area D? To see specific courses that counted towards GEs, select any for Major and General Education under Credit Type. For the most current course information, go to the Courses and Credit tab on your UC EAP program page. You can also check out the My EAP course catalog for courses that all UC students have taken on EAP, not just UCSB students.